I'm here in New York for Galaxy Unpacked. I just got finished with a few hours of hands-on time with the new Galaxy Z Fold 7 before its official release. This phone's more refined, more powerful, and more intelligent than ever. These are the top new features that you need to know. Let's go ahead and get started. Samsung's commitment to foldable innovation is on full display here. The Fold 7 is a stunning 8.9 millimeters thin when folded and just 4.2 millimeters thin when unfolded, making it the thinnest fold yet. It's also 26% thinner and 48% lighter than earlier models with a more comfortable grip and sleeker profile. The fact that the Galaxy Fold 7 is just 8.9 millimeters when folded makes it one of the most pocketable powerhouse phones that I've ever used. It's the kind of phone that just disappears into your everyday routine. And speaking of daily routine, one thing that's been game-changing for me recently is a pair of headphones from Majawa, who also happens to be the sponsor of today's video. Real quick, I've been testing out a ton of different headphones during runs and workouts. Some sounded all right, but either slipped off, got sweaty, or hurt after a while, and then I found these. The Mojawa Purra Run bone conducting headphones, and honestly, they're on a whole different level. These are powered by Maglev Bass Tech, which delivers a surprisingly full low end, something most bone conduction headphones seriously lack. The overall audio, easily the best I've heard in this style. One thing that I usually struggle with is wind noise, especially when I'm biking or jogging, but these, they actually reduced wind interference. So calls sound super clear and voice commands pick up accurately without having to yell over the breeze.
Hey, babe.
Hey,
How's your day going?
good. How's yours?
It's going pretty good. I'm on my bike, just kind of, taking a little bike ride around the neighborhood here.
Battery life on these is super impressive. You get up to 15 hours of playback time, and if you're low on juice, just a quick charge gives you plenty to finish your workout or your commute. Don't worry about sweat or rain. These are IP67 rated, so they're fully waterproof and can handle tough conditions. Plus, they're so light and comfortable that most of the time I forget that I'm even wearing them. Also come with smart voice interaction, so hands-free control is super easy whether you're changing tracks or taking a call mid-stride. Hi Purra, volume up. Hi Purra, check the battery.
Battery level 90.
Hi Purra, play the next. So if you want headphones that are lightweight, sound great, and stay put, whether you're hitting the pavement or just out and about, check out the Mojawa Purra Run. Links in the description. Definitely worth it. The screens on this device are definitely next level. When closed, the front screen offers a 64.9 millimeter screen width, which is perfect for one-handed use and quick tasks without needing to unfold the device. With 2600 nits of brightness on that front display, I can definitely see myself using the Fold 7 more when it's folded, especially being able to see it clearly when I'm outdoors in sunlight. The main display is definitely a showstopper with an 8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X that's 11% larger than before. Whether you're multitasking or binge watching your favorite content, this is definitely the screen to do it on. The build quality is definitely another area where the Fold 7 has seen some major improvements, starting with the new Armor Flex hinge, which uses a water droplet design and multi-rail structure to reduce stress on the display. Combine that with a grade 4 titanium lattice frame, 50% thicker ultra-thin glass, and Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2, and you've got one of the toughest foldables yet. The Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chip drives the performance on the Galaxy Fold 7, delivering a 41% faster NPU, 38% faster CPU, and 26% GPU improvements whether you're gaming, editing, or multitasking. I actually tested Need for Speed on this for quite a while, and I didn't notice any slowdowns or hiccups. This phone should be just as good with gaming as the Galaxy S25 Ultra, which has the same chipset. There are some new Galaxy AI features which are baked right into One UI for foldables. It's smarter, faster, more helpful than ever, and is actually optimized for that larger inside display. Circle to search now works while gaming. Just circle anything on screen to get instant results. The Fold 7 becomes your own gaming strategy and walkthrough assistant. Another thing that I really liked here is when you're in the gallery and you click on a video, the audio eraser automatically pops up. This allows you to clean up background noise with a single click, which I think is definitely helpful. I really like how this utilizes the larger screen on the inside for generative photo editing. Once this generates the edited photo, it actually shows you both the before and after on the same screen, so you don't have to go back and forth. During my brief hands-on time, it was definitely clear that the new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is thinner, smarter, and more powerful than ever before. From incredible durability to AI-enhanced productivity and a jaw-dropping camera system, this is Samsung's most advanced foldable yet. The Z Fold 7 launches in 3 different colors: jet black, blue shadow, and silver shadow, with an online exclusive mint option also available. The starting price is $1,999.99, and you can pre-order starting today. I'll be sure to leave links in the description so you can find out more information about the Z Fold 7, and also use the link in my description when you pre-order for the best possible deal on the Z Fold 7. That about wraps it up for this video. Thanks guys for watching. Be blessed. I'll see you in the next one.